Welcome back, dear viewers. Today we are going to explore some product designs which will enable us to understand design registration better. A futuristic gym could have many features that make it more attractive, efficient, and enjoyable for its users. Some ideas to design a creative space is a virtual reality system that allows users to immerse themselves in different environments and scenarios while exercising. For example, they could run on a beach, climb a mountain, or explore a city. The system would also provide feedback and guidance on their performance and goals. A gamified approach that rewards users for their efforts and achievements. Users could earn points, badges, and trophies for completing workouts, challenges, and milestones. They could also compete with other users or teams, or join online communities and events. A smart equipment that adapts to the user's needs and preferences. The equipment would be able to adjust the resistance, speed, and intensity of the exercises according to the user's level, goals, and feedback. The equipment would also monitor the user's vital signs, calories burned, and progress. A sustainable design that minimizes the environmental impact of the gym. The gym could use renewable energy sources, such as solar panels or wind turbines, to power its facilities. The gym could also recycle the water and waste generated by its users and equipment. A stylish aesthetic that reflects the gym's identity and values. The gym could have a sleek and modern look, with bright colors and futuristic shapes. Alternatively, the gym could have a cozy and natural feel, with wood, plants, and earthy tones. The gym could also have a theme or a story that connects its elements. Surpassing the limits of creativity, in Hong Kong local practice Mr. Studio has modeled a fitness studio on a futuristic Martian dwelling to offer members an escape from their busy lives. Elon Musk's vision of colonizing Mars was the inspiration to build this fitness studio. Musk is a visionary entrepreneur who has ambitious plans to make humans a multiplanetary species. He has founded SpaceX, a company that develops reusable rockets and spaceships to transport people and cargo to Mars and beyond. He has also published details of his plan to colonize Mars in the journal New Space. Well, if this dream is far from reality as yet, at least we have a futuristic gym on Earth which gives us the vibes of Mars. The concept of Mars was chosen to represent escapism and a sense of adventure. Gymtown's entryway and reception are finished entirely in an earthy shade of orange, chosen to reflect the colors of Mars, while moody black workout areas were designed to allow visitors to focus on their individual health goals. The studio created a bespoke sculptural lighting piece that can be seen from the street to create a sense of intrigue about the gym. From the entrance, members are taken up to the lobby by an escalator. In a bid to make this ascent feel like an event, Mr. Studio turned the space into a tunnel-like portal that provides a sense of voyage. The studio created a bespoke sculptural lighting piece that can be seen from the street to create a sense of intrigue about the gym. From the entrance, members are taken up to the lobby by an escalator. In a bid to make this ascent feel like an event, the space into a tunnel-like portal that provides a sense of voyage. The escalator delivers members into a large reception area, arranged as a lounge with various seating areas. One of the challenges of the project was the absence of natural light, which was addressed with a feature ceiling light. Composed of concentric circles with an illuminated core, it suggests both a natural skylight and the crater-studded terrain of Mars. Curves and circles feature heavily throughout Gymtown, from wavy walls and rounded furniture to lights inspired by the form of a satellite dish. Custom-made table lamps adorned with sleek metal finishes and cracked glass details capture the silhouette of high-gain antennas used in space exploration. The room is centered on a semicircular brass-wrapped reception desk, which doubles as a bar during events or after-hours gatherings. The walls here feature the same dusty red-orange finish as the entrance tunnel, while decorative rocks are fixed to the ceiling. Envisioned as a modern Martian house, the space is painted in a textured monochromatic palette of tangerine, referencing the iconic red planet's signature color, and rough terrain. It adds vibrancy and warmth to the space, creating a visually intriguing element that complements the overall design theme. Progressing into the changing rooms, workout areas, and studios, the color palette shifts to more sober grays and blacks. To encourage members to fully devote to their fitness routines, the workout area is grounded in an organic and unpretentious style. All that sounds like a fun and creative challenge. Creativity is the ability to generate novel and useful ideas. It can be enhanced by various factors, such as curiosity, motivation, and exposure to different stimuli. There are many ways to find inspiration for creativity. Hope you find your inspiration soon. Remember that creativity is a process that requires practice and patience. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. Creativity is boundless. So is the human spirit. I believe that creativity is contagious, and so I'm passing it on you. Unleash the talent and let your intelligence have fun.